Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A vertical stick which is 18 centimeter long casts a 15 centimeter long shadow on the ground. At the same time, a vertical tower casts 50-meter long shadow on the ground. Find the height of the tower. Now, since it is given that the time of the day is same, we can say that shadow has same elevation angle, angle theta. We can write it like this: since it is same time of the day, both shadows, both now angle, same angle theta, and since both both shadows have same, both structures are on the ground, both are upright, that is angle A equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees. Now if we look at it in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we can say angle A equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees since upright structures. Then angle C equal to angle F since same time of day. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity criterion. Therefore, what we can say that sides are in proportion. Therefore, AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are in proportion. So what we can say, 18 divided by x is equal to 15 divided by 50. So we get x equal to 50 multiplied by 18, x equal to 50 multiplied by 18 divided by 15. So from here 5 from 15 will cancel out 50 to 10, and 3 from 15 will cancel out 18 to 6. So we have this equal to 60 meters. Therefore, height of the tower at that time is 60 meters. This is the answer.